Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss how the right to information is available to non-citizens too, and denial will be against constitutional principles. The Delhi High Court on Monday held that the right to information is available to citizens of India as well as non-citizens, and that denying the same to the latter would be contrary to the Constitution of India as well as the RTI Act. Justice Pratibha M. Singh said that Section 3 of the RTI Act, which says that all citizens have the right to information, would have to be read as a positive recognition of the right in favor of citizens, but not as a prohibition against non citizens. The court underscored that creating an absolute bar would be contrary to the purpose and object of the RTI Act itself, and such an absolute bar cannot be read into the RTI Act. However, it is clarified that the disclosure of information to non-citizens would depend on the kind of information sought and the recognition of the rights guaranteed to such class of persons under the Constitution of India. Whenever information is sought by non-citizens, considering that the rights conferred under Section 3 is positively upon citizens, it would be on the discretion of the authorities to disclose such information or not. The court was hearing a plea by one A.S. Rawat, who was posted as Public Information Officer at Central Tibetan Schools Administration. Rawat challenged an order of the Central Information Commission imposing a penalty of 2500 on him. The penalty was imposed after the PIO denied information to a teacher named Dawa Tashi, who had sought information regarding his confirmation letter as well as other benefits from the CTSA.